Hello, fellow traders. Hello, hello. Good evening, good day, good morning, or good night. And this is unbelievable. The third day in a row we're streaming, and I think we finally have a good schedule. And maybe this week is going to be every day of streaming. God knows. Hello to everyone again, and I'm waiting for you guys to say hello in the chat and tell me if you can hear me, you can see me, if everything is working good. But I'm going to start and go in Quotex and trying to find entry points. Oh my. So of course we are starting with same currency pairs for those who want to work with me. There you go. There you go, all of the currency pairs that are available today. Euro GPY, not really obvious situation. We have like huge fluctuations. We have global resistance, sort of a support level, and right now the price is in between those levels, so right now there's nothing to do for May. Let's move on to Euro USD GPY, and here we have, I don't know, not sure about what's going on here. Nothing really special. Let's continue. Euro GBP. Good uptrend, but there is no entry point. We will come back to it a bit later, but for now I'm gonna go to the chat, see if you are here, guys. Oh, there are people already here. Hello, Alice. Can you just alert us before opening the deal? Someone's follow your trade. I'll try, but sometimes, I usually look and I explain and then I do it when I have time to wait for an entry point. But if I see that it was like 10-15 seconds ago, I like immediately just enter into a deal. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So not always I can tell you when I'm gonna do it. Finally, I made it at the beginning. Autonomy. Hey, hello. Usually, yeah, you are here at like in the middle. Hello to everyone. Hi, Alice. Hello. Special back there. Euro GBP is the third currency pair that we are trying to analyze. We have an uptrend and we need to catch the entry point for an upward trend, obviously. Nothing yet, but let's move on to something else. Euro USD. Here, kind of an uptrend. Maybe we will have a deal right now. I'm telling you, but probably no, because the price is a bit too high. It's a little bit too late for entering into the deal. If the price drops a little, but I don't think it will. If it drops, we will enter into a deal, but I'm not sure. If it would drop like at this where my cursor is to that level, I would enter into a deal, but for now I think it is too late and too risky, and yeah, doesn't look good. Good entry point now, because I believe this uptrend will continue, but I'm not sure. What do you think, guys? We have time. Let's not risk it at the first deal, as I always do, because I'm not really sure about this one, but I would enter here if it, yeah. So Euro USD, you risk it for the biscuit. We're entering into a deal for an upward trend. Again, Euro USD, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used for an upward trend. According to an upward trend, we kind of have it. We have a pullback, then the price started rising, but then there was a correction with this red candlestick, and I'm hoping that this is a small correction and we will have an impulse movement upwards. In the worst case, the price could touch this level and then grow again, but that might not even happen. We will see. But don't forget about risk management. Each deal could be closed in red. You are never safe from it, So, hey, Alice. Way close to $10 today using price action strategy. Think I'm getting a good job. That's amazing. Did you get $10? But what is your like, how much money do you spend on one deal? So yeah, tell me more. Tell me the percentage. What kind of percentage did you get up for your balance at the beginning? Because if you have like balance of $3,000 and you made $10, hey, that's not good. So I'm just curious about the percentages. Hey Alice, my first time here. Hey Jothan, you're welcome to be here. Hopefully you will like the stream and hopefully I'll get some money today. Shop, hello to you too. Is the audio cutting in and out, or is it just me? I don't know, guys. Tell me if it's everything okay with the audio, because I hope it is okay. I always have some sort of issues, and if everyone has that issue, I will restart the stream and it's gonna be fine, hopefully. But I don't know. And the deal is going great, but it's meeting some sort of resistance at that level because it rose and it drops a little bit. I don't think it's going to be quite serious resistance level. Hopefully it will break through it, but we still have 50 seconds. And for those who are trading with me while we're looking at today's week, today we want to get $10,000 finally, and finally get our VIP because we will get 4% for the payouts, which is amazing. So hopefully today we need to get $10,000 on our balance. But yeah, for those who are trading with me today, mind you, be careful with that. I never recommend it. Definitely never recommend doing that, because you need to think with your own brains, not with mine, because my mistakes on the stream are quite serious sometimes, because I'm not really being careful all the time, because on the stream I'm trying to show you as much as possible. But the first deal for today is closed in black, meaning we got the money. And let's look at the analytics of this week. We have 2 days already of the streams, and the profit for this week is $530. Not too bad, not too shabby, not too shabby. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it's gonna be today, how it's gonna go today. Let me look in the chat. Maybe someone will tell me that I have audio. Yes, audio is cutting in and out. Why the hell? I use 1% of my capital, which is just $1. Now, since today market is not working again with strategy, any idea about it? I don't know, we just started. When I was working during the day, it was okay, but we'll see what's going on. And what is wrong with the audio? I don't know. I don't see any problems. I can actually stop the stream right now and start doing it again. Tell me, how bad is that? Should I start the stream over, or we could just continue? Tell me in the chat, because I don't know. Maybe that will help, because I just muted my microphone. I don't know if it helped or not. I don't know. For me, no problem. It's good. The audio is okay from my side. No problem with audio. Okay, so Tawny and logo shop. Maybe it's something wrong with the internet connection. Maybe there was something wrong. I don't know, because everyone says it's all right. It's good from my side. Yeah. I don't know. So let's continue. If we're gonna have more problems, of course, definitely tell me and we will restart the stream. But for now, everyone says it's okay. So I don't know. I'm gonna restart on my end. Yeah. Try that, Tony. Try doing that. Maybe that will work. But we will continue. And right now we actually have another entry point. The price dropped a little bit. We could enter into another deal, but I don't really like the structure. Like, it looks like it's getting smaller. So let's probably skip it. I don't like it. What's that? AUD GPY. AUD GPY, the price was moving in this corridor of support and resistance. We had a flat after it was broken through upwards, and then the price dropped aggressively. Generally, we have the downtrend structure, but objectively, the downtrend is broken. Right now, we see that our previous high is lower than the new high. So I believe that we could enter into a deal for a downward trend. Stochastic also gives us a signal. to do that. Maybe it's a bit too late. And it's risky, you know, because the high is updated and the structure of the downtrend is broken. So I don't know. I don't know. I still believe it will continue. So let's risk it. AUD GPY for 3-minute expiration time using $50 for a downward trend. It is a risky one for those who are copying. Do not recommend doing this one. Why? Because obviously we have downtrend here and we're working according to it, but the structure of the downtrend was broken through. We see the previous high and this is our new high. It is higher high right now. Yes. Subconsciously, I believe that the price will drop even lower because this downtrend is more powerful. It doesn't look like the reverse is gonna start and it's gonna be an uptrend, but the possibility is always there. You just need to be a bit more careful. In general, there was the first rejection zone. Maybe this is like a resistance zone and the price is going to drop. But going back to the chart, I'm back. Sound is good now. Good, Tony. I think her network is, yeah, maybe my internet is not good. I don't know, because I think if it was my internet, the picture would also glitch. If it's just sound, I don't know. Hopefully everything works good now. Forex take my profit, US $1. Forex took your profit, just $1. That's sad. What do you mean by that? I don't know. Please, Alice, my darling, can you set static time to start stream? I can't. I'm really sorry. I would really want to do that, but it's really, really hard to start at the same time. But you know what? I can, like, an hour and a half or 2 hours before the stream, I kind of understand that I'm gonna stream because I'm doing a lot of stuff before I'm streaming, and only when I have like some free time, you know, I can stream. Sometimes it can be 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. Like it's different all the time. So I can't have like a specific time frame for that, but I can definitely try and talk about it like an hour and a half before. What broker do? Yeah, I think it's Quotex for me. If you're from the United States, it's Nadex. Yeah, it's one of the good brokers. It's regulated. Maybe they don't really want to be unfair in some points, but they are regulated. But the only problem is that only United States citizens can use it. What the fuck? Did no, we didn't. At the last fucking second. Did you see that again? Like at the last second. It is what it is. It's okay. Oh, look at the candlestick after it. Oh my, oh my. So I think there's probably going to be a reversal because you see like there's a huge fight between sellers and buyers, and the uptrend is going to start right now. But it is what it is. It worked against us, but shit happens. GBP USD. Oh geez, sorry. Banning everything today. My camera, my microphone. But yeah, GBP USD, kind of we have a sharp drop, then there was an uptrend, but it's happening inside of this drop, so it's not a full uptrend. No, I don't want to work with this kind of situation, but most probably it's going to be an uptrend. Most probably, but I don't know. Here is a similar situation, an uptrend, but no entry points for us. Euro CAD generally looks like resistance, but with this gigantic green candlestick, we could have break through it. But the price is dropping, and after such a huge green candlestick, there's probably going to be a correction, so we're going to risk it for the biscuit. We see a global uptrend. We are entering into a deal against global uptrend. It's bad. But what do we see? What logic do we have? We see that right here there is a obviously resistance zone that was pushing the price down. And also you need to pay attention that after such a huge impulse, there is always a correction. Not always, but most certainly. And here we also hear an impulse candlestick, and I'm hoping to catch this correction, but we need to be careful because this deal is opened against the global trend. We're just trying to catch the short-term correction, but of course you should never trend against the trend and work with impulses, not with corrections, because working with corrections, you are, you know, working against the trend. So it is what it is. Euro CAD 3-minute expiration time, $100 used. Oh my god, why am I pushing my camera all the time? But yeah, you see that right now the price is not really eager to drop. I still believe that it will drop at some point. It's going to be like a correction, but we will see. We will see. For now, I'm going back to the chat for new people. When I'm opening the chat, I'm opening another tab and the Quotex freezes for you. Is pocket option good? Yeah, it's a good one. The biggest thing I hate about Quotex is the support. It's interesting to say the less, you know, because if you need some support questions, they are really, really freaking slow. But in general, it's fine. It's okay. That happened to me yesterday. What? Why you not use defense in deals? What do you mean by that? What is defense in deals? Tell me. You're cute when you swear. Thanks. Impossible loss? What do you mean impossible? Every loss is possible. It's most probable. Even then, like, there's more probability than wins, you know? I love when I'm watching strategies from other YouTubers, like 100% strategy, 100% win rate strategy. Yeah, right. If I find a strategy, I'm going to be honest, with 100% win rate, I'm deleting my channel. I'm going to get $10 million in 1 week and just going to forget about the world because it doesn't fucking exist. And if it does, tell me about it. Impossible loss strategies, 100% win rate strategy. Yeah, show me that. I want that. Because I don't believe. Even 95%. Rarely. It could show 95% win rate in the short term. Like, you know. We got the money, by the way. I have a new t-shirt. Pew pew, motherfucker. So we have $9,989. One more deal. We're getting back the VIP. And the correction actually worked. What I was talking about. GBP AUD. There is a downtrend. Where is the pullback gonna end? I think maybe at this level? I don't know. It's still not there. We can sit here, for those who are working with me right now, you can look at GBP AUD and you need to catch a pullback. Maybe it will start right now, but there is no level, you know. At this point, there is no level. And I want my $10,000 on my bank account balance. So I will try to find something more secure, but somewhere here there is going to be a pullback. For now, I do not see that point, but it will be there. Euro GPY, going back to it. The hell is that? What the fuck is that? Trump said good morning. That's probably what it is. As always with the fucking euro and dollar, Trump says something and it's like one fucking candlestick ruining everything. Because, like, look at this, a downtrend. There is this fucking candle. I don't know. Moving on to something else. USD GPY. Well, with USD, we don't have that candlestick. The heck? Maybe it's not Trump. I don't know. It's a good uptrend. Do you know what? I'm gonna sit here and wait for a good entry point because the price is going back to the level of the previous high, and somewhere here could be the reversal and we could ride this uptrend. But where do usually those pullbacks? Yeah, I mean, look at the past. The previous one was at the level of high. Yeah, the next one, the previous one was a bit lower than the high. But yeah, it looks okay. It looks all right. Probably should wait a little bit for the price to do the reversal. And on the currency pair Euro GBP, we will enter into a deal for an upward trend for 3 minutes using $50. Right now the price is a bit lower than the previous high, but I believe it's going to do the reversal. And for now I'm going to go back to the chat and go, like, you know, back and forth. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Analysts and common streams, would you use RSI divergence as a confirmation from price action analysis? God, I don't even have a video on my channel about RSI divergence. Let me tell you about it for those who don't know. So it's a really specific topic. I know it's effective. I know a lot of people use it on Forex. So basically we have RSI, relative strength index. Where is it? Where's this bitch? There you are. So we have this indicator. What is it? What is RSI divergence? Let's get rid of stochastic so we can see the RSI and make it bigger. I can't make it bigger. No. Why is it not getting bigger? What the actual effect? Oh, okay. Okay, that's better. So, when you are looking at price action and you see that the price creating higher highs and higher lows, so the structure of uptrend, and one of an interesting ways to predict a breakout is when you are looking right now, for example, you see that all the highs on RSI, they are quite at the same level, but sometimes there are cases when on the charts you see that the higher highs and higher lows are created, but the RSI create lower highs and lower lows. So for RSI, it's going to be a downtrend, but you see an uptrend on the chart. That's called divergence. And in general, that's a good signal that the breakout is going to happen, right? Do I do that in my personal trading? No. Do I know how to do it? Not really. I understand how to do it. I don't do it in my personal time, but it's an interesting instrument. And I don't know, should we work with that on binary options? I think kind of yes, but with higher time frame, with like time expiration time, because divergence shows us when the breakout is going to happen, but it's not showing us like when it's going to be specifically. So on 3 minute expiration time, we should see like specific point. So I'm looking at price action and stochastic, for example, and they give us the signal like 1 second. Give me back my stochastic. My love, come here. Thank you. Hello, sweetie. And the pullback is not happening. Looks weird. Maybe even it's gonna be lower. Maybe it's gonna reach this level. Ooh. Still waiting for the price to do the reversal to enter into a deal for an upward trend. But stochastic gives us a signal for a downward trend. The crossover higher than the level of 70, and the price is dropping because that's the signal for a downward trend. But RSI divergence says us that most probably the price is going to drop, but when? I don't know, girl. I don't know. So if we're working with divergence with 1 minute time frame and expiration time, then should be like 30 minutes, you know. Like at least 15 minutes, but most probably 30 minutes for RSI divergence. So I do not work with that, you know. Why is the price dropping so low? What is you doing? It reached this level. This is one of the places where it could do the reversal, or this level. If it's going to be lower than this level, then we are forgetting about this setup and we're not going to work with it. But right now, I don't know. And look at the candlesticks, like small ones, and then there is a lot of momentum. A lot of pressure from sellers on the market happened there. And I like Euro GBP. Why I'm waiting here for an entry point. It's the only currency pair with a payout of 91%. That's why I'm sitting here and waiting. Hey, what's happening? It's going even lower. We wasted our time, but I mean, we talked. I explained new stuff that we haven't touched ever. on the channel or on the stream. So if the price is not moving upwards now, then we're just gonna forget about it. If it's gonna be red again, it's gonna be a breakout, and I'm not gonna work with a breakout, even if it's a confirmed one. With the trend line, yeah, the breakout happened. With price action, breakout happened? Did? It did? Not really. So if this candlestick is gonna be closed somewhere here, this is definitely a breakout. But I don't know. I don't want to work with this. I have a feeling that it's a freaking fake out and the price is still gonna go upwards. The uptrend was happening for way too long to happen so abruptly. I don't trust this breakout. And opening into a deal for an upward trend is kind of risky. If it's gonna absorb the previous red one, then yeah. But yeah, I guess wasting time. Let's move on to something else. USD, GPY, we have a good downtrend, and we're trying to catch a pullback according to trend line, you know. This candlestick, not really good. No full absorption to say that this is a good entry point, so I don't know. And the price could actually rise even higher a little bit, in my opinion. See, I'm trying to be careful today. I'm trying. That doesn't mean I will be like that all the time. But yeah, Euro GBP. I don't like this situation. Stochastic is kind of getting close to giving us a signal, but still moving on. Euro USD. We have an uptrend. Quite a high and big impulse. Then there was a correction, drop of the price until this level, until the level of the previous. Oh, I don't know. The price is acting weird. It's supposed to jump upwards, so I don't see the momentum from the bulls. And if I don't see it, I think it's too early to enter into a deal for an upward trend because we don't have the confirmation from the candlesticks. AUD, GPY. Is it triangle? Kind of a downtrend. And there is a small triangle kind of. Should we wait for a breakout of a triangle? And yeah, it's gonna happen quite soon actually. I thought it's gonna go down with my analysis, but that's just my analysis. It doesn't mean that it's gonna happen actually. I just want to have one deal to have 10,000. I understand that I'm risking just $50, and I understand that you probably are not happy about me just trying to find the ideal entry point, but I just really want to have 10,000 back. Because it's pissing me off. It feels like if the price is gonna drop, then I would work with a triangle pattern. Let me show you a visual here. So, it's so uncomfortable. It's so inconvenient to work with a fucking touchpad. Oh, something like that. Yeah. And let's make it thick. And a breakout is happening actually. I'll see how this candlestick is going to be closed, and most probably we will enter into a deal for a downward trend on a currency pair. AUD GPY. Fucking touchpad. Fucking touchpad. It's always the stream. It is always the stream. I cannot do it. It was hard, but I did it. But yeah, so this is our triangle, and most probably there should be a breakout, but the price is actually going back to the zone of the triangle. Somewhere here, I believe the breakout is going to happen downwards. So because after this red candlestick, I would enter if the next candlestick would be red, but this one is green, so I'm not doing it. It is jumping so good. Maybe there is going to be a breakout upwards, even. I don't know. Quite curious about the situation, but I don't know. But the market at least looks good. It's easy to read because for the past like week, it's been really hard to work. But this situation is also weird. The breakout started, but then the price changed its mind. But the breakout usually happens according to the main trend, but not like the fresh one uptrend, you know? But see, it's like they're trying to push it upwards. But I'm still 90% sure that the price is gonna drop. Stochastic is in the fucking middle, not doing anything. Ugh. Mm. Should we enter into a deal right now until the price is so high? Because I think that the price is gonna drop. It's not the right decision, so do not copy. But yeah, let's wait for one more minute and let's go to another currency pair because we're gonna waste like again hours on just waiting for a good entry point on one currency pair, which is not good. So GBP USD, we have resistance, but such an uptrend, I don't want to work against it. I do not want to do that. AUD USD, we lost the moment there. Euro CAD. Let's go back to our triangle. Nothing interesting is going on. It's not doing anything good. Maybe we should continue the triangle. Maybe the line was not correct. Yeah, so it's not reaching that tail. But yeah, let's see. 100% that the deal is going to be on AUD GPY using $50 for 3 minutes expiration time, but we will see where, up or down. I don't know. I'm going back to the chat. If I missed your message, give me a second. I'll go back to it. Should wait for good candle. I don't even know what you're talking about at this point. Because I spend so much time just like sitting here for absolutely nothing. Sarah, hey Alice, hey Sarah. Are you using 5 code like other fake? If no, show your leaderboard after making profitable trades. What? Are you using life code like others fake? What is life code? Can you please explain? I can show you anything you want. Even oh, give me 1 second. I remember your question, but something weird is happening. Yeah, so I pushed there with the right button, said life code, and changed the account. It's completely fake. I'm completely fake. I do not exist. I am AI, you know, and all the comments in the chat, all the comments under each videos are, of course, fakes. Oh my god, of course. Why do you think I'm real? No, fake as hell. But yeah, speaking of this breakout, we need a thick red candle. Really thick. But speaking of being fakes, not only that is fake, I also changed with the code, like my balance right there. I changed also withdrawals. I changed like everything. It's all fake, absolutely. And in my analytics, Jesus, everything is also fake, of course. Fake 100%. So yeah, back to the analytics, not analytics, analyzing the chart. Fuck this currency pair. We're moving on to something else. USD GPY, not good. Euro GBP. Don't like it. And I have one good fucking entry point to have $10,000 on my account. Because we're wasting time. And I have stuff to do. Alright, so here we have a good resistance level, but I don't like this uptrend. Yes, we do have resistance, but an uptrend is really, really good, and working against it is stupid. I am sometimes stupid, but not that, you know, stupid. I don't like working against the global trend. Again, we have resistance, but I don't want to do that. GBP AUD. Here we could kind of, we have double top even. Stochastic is also higher than the level of 70. Global downtrend. Somewhere here there should be a reversal to go down. So GBP AUD, we could sit down and watch for this one, but not yet. Just not yet. If you're working, you can sit down and wait, but I'm not waiting. GBP CAD. Mm. 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 With this resistance, should we work with this resistance? Don't really like that the price started dropping up out of this resistance level, but it's pushing upwards with huge momentum. There might be a reversal. Should be real freaking careful. What is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god. But anywho, moving on. Oh, I wouldn't have any entry points. I'm gonna go back to the chat. Maybe you have something interesting. But yeah, I'm still fake. Fake as hell. The AI is generating everything. I don't exist. Never existed. Never. Ah. Can I see your smile? Oh my god. Stop that. Stop that. Did you get a new tattoo? Yeah, I did. It's not done yet. I'm just ensuring bro many influencers using fake like code and going affiliate trades in major scale. What is life code? I still don't fucking understand. What do you mean life code? I'm stupid, I'm just a girl, I don't understand. What are you talking about? You can do that, but you can do that on, I don't know, screenshots, but how can I do it on live videos? After each deal, the balance is changing, so how the fuck is that going to work? It's going to call it consolidate more. Yeah, I think so. If you're talking about the triangle, that's why the breakout is not happening, because it's going to be fucking consolidation. I don't know. Strategy is basic price action, which works in Forex, lol, unless you didn't know how to trade. I mean, yeah, my strategy is basically can be used in Forex easily. You just need to change it a little bit. In binary options, we can work with small price movements, and my strategy works with finding those like small movements. But for Forex, you need to find better moments. You will get less deals, but your profit is going to be higher, and you need to catch higher price movements. You can work with my strategy on Forex easily, but not 1 minute time frame for short. For like maybe 15-minute time frame, I guess something like that would be much better. Yes, we're all fake. Yeah, MC Prime, I bought you. You are fake. I bought you like just like everybody else. Yeah. We're fake, bro. Yeah. Yeah, you are. Just looked at Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. It's right there. Come here. I hope I'm not too late. It was a good point, kind of like a breakout, but then the price still rose. Still, I want to be careful. We have 3 deals just because I want to close the next deal in black. We could have entered so many deals at this point, but I was not sure about them because I want to get 10,000. I want to get it back. AUDGPY, yeah, see this little freaking frick. There was a triangle. The consolidation is happening, and consolidation is like in the really fucking tiny corridor. Stupid. Let's delete the triangle. But yeah, we have a triangle. We had it. Not anymore. The breakout didn't happen, and the price decided like, you want to break out? I don't do this. Girl, I don't care about your money. I don't care about your feelings. I'm gonna do whatever I want. So that's what she's doing. GBP USD, some sort of rocket. It's just fucking flying into the sky. Do we have any resistance here? Oh. Look at this. But the price is still fucking higher than the previous resistance. Let's look at 5-minute time frame. Yeah, it's higher than that. It broke through this resistance. But not really, because see, it's like it's being still pushed back. If the reversal will happen, we can catch the entry point for an entry into a deal, because there's supposed to be a correction from that level. But before that, yeah, nothing really happened before that, but in general. But see, it is so high. Well, even like with 5 minute time frame, there is weird growth, and 1 minute time frame also shows us there is supposed to be a correction. Like, look, the price doesn't work like that. It's like everything is green and like the candles are so huge. So let's move on. Ah, the stream today is fucking. What am I doing? just, just trying to find. It's a simulator of binary options. GBP AUD, maybe we will find an entry point for a downward trend, and we are finding it. So, GBP AUD 3-minute expiration time, $50 used from the account. We see a global downtrend and a really interesting pullback, and it finished. The key level kind of exists, but it's not really freaking level. But yeah, here we definitely see that the pullback finished, and we started impulse movement downwards, and Stochastic also shows us crossover. And see, Stochastic was showing the crossover, but it didn't happen. But right now, finally, breakthrough started happening. Stochastic is actually showing us the truth. We have 20 minutes and 20 seconds, and we will find out if I get fucking $10,000 back or I don't. Going back to the chat. I only trade OTC, live markets, not doing me good today. I'm not gonna say anything about OTC. His life code meant a website self-coded. Oh, so fake Quotex. Do I look like someone who can fucking do that? I don't think so. And you can actually see when I'm reading the chat, like you can see the link. So, I'm fake. Can we take 20, 30 trades in binary? Is it workable? Yeah, 20, 30-minute trades. Of course, it's just a different style of trading. Not a lot of people do that, but I know people who, you know, not really rich, unbelievably rich traders, but profitable traders who work with 20 and 30-minute expiration time. Why do people consider binary options as gambling and Forex not? I don't fucking know, because in my opinion, Forex is gambling. Oh, what the fuck is going on in the chart? Guys, you know the rules. Like up the streams. Like up the stream, and the price will go down. But speaking of gambling, binary options is called gambling because people say you cannot predict the price movement in 3 minutes, but it's stupid. It is possible. It's hard because at any moment, any huge bank will enter a market and you will lose the money, of course. Of course, there is a risk. Because of that, none of the strategies can have a win rate of like 80%, you know. But globally, binary options, to earn money, you need to have 55% win rate. So, you know, that's most probable. In Forex, the situation is completely different. You can have a positive win rate, but just because you cannot prognose enough of the movements of the price. So in Forex, if price moved right here to here, you get the money, but the commission is gonna eat all the profit, which just fucking happened to me. It got my money. Anywho, I'm not getting nervous and angry. In Forex, as I was saying, you need to predict the movement of the price from here to there. If the price moved upwards and it did the reversal, you can lose the money. In binary options, we need just a small movement of the price. So I don't think binary options are gambling. I don't think Forex is that gambling, but OTC currency pairs fucking gambling. Because you cannot predict anything on OTC, because real currency pairs, they exist, and OTC currency pairs, they are not real, and that is fucking gambling. But in my opinion, it is just harder to work with Forex, but that's just my opinion. Any Forex trader will say that binary options is harder and Forex is easier. But it is what it is. Everyone has their opinion. In my opinion, binary options are easier than Forex. And look at this bitch. Look at the price. It actually reached the level where we entered. Should we enter into another deal? I think it's too late. Yeah, so freak it. Let's move on. Let's move on. Oh, we're not having luck today. We are not having luck today. But it's okay because I want to get my balance up to 10,000, as I said millions of times today. GBP, USD. Why do I have Christmas music in my brain? Don't ask, I don't know. Speaking of music, what do you guys think? Should we have some background music on streams? Or is it okay of me just like talking nonstop? Because I'm sometimes annoying. GBP AUD, I'm thinking about going into a deal for a downward trend because the price went back to the same level. And we see when it reached this level, it was again pushed downwards. But the consolidation is kind of happening in this zone and I am not sure. It is risky. But on the other hand, we have a phrase, risk it for the biscuit. But in this case, is it a good choice? But just let me explain. So we have a downtrend structure. It looks like a pullback. It happened quite well. The second time the price rose, but reaching the same level, it was pushed downwards. But it's rising again. I don't know. From somewhere there, the price should drop, in my opinion. But look, we have double top. So let's risk it for the biscuit. GBP AUD, same deal, same logic, same currency pair, entering into a deal for a downward trend for 3-minute expiration time using $100. So going back to the chat. Going back to the chat. So many comments. Oh my god. My observation, Alice strategy pullback and look for confirmation at major turning point. Once confirmation, check momentum. If momentum is still there, she's in. Yep. Sometimes I also add stochastic, but not always, but sometimes yes. Hey Alice, respect for the transparency. Yeah, my question wasn't to doubt you, just wanted to clarify. Seeing some traders use some fake life accounts. You're proven you're legit. Keep doing your thing. Thanks. I'm happy you're giving me your approval. Thank you. Makes me happy. Hey, what's up? Is Codex really good broker for binary options? Yes. Is it good? Yes. Is it the best one? I don't know. Someone asked already about the best broker. I'd say the best one is the one that doesn't have physical or technical ability to trick you. There is only one of them. It's called Nadex. The problem with Nadex is that only United States citizens could work with that. So if you're not United States citizen, you have to work with stuff like Quotex, Pocket Option, and it's okay. You know, they all have licenses that they got some on some fucking islands or like offshore. I don't know. And does it give you any protection in a serious situation? I don't think so. So you should probably choose the biggest one once because for them to scam someone for $1,000 is not profitable and they will lose more about their, you know, being good or being bad. Quotex, in my opinion, is just the best one. Oh, for fuck's sake, the chart looks good. Yeah, let's continue with the chat. So, I believe Quotex is a good one. But if we are talking about usability, Quotex is the best one because it's the most convenient one. Again, in my opinion, Quotex is one of the best ones. But the best broker, if you are from the United States, recommend using Nadex. This is the best one. That's it. I'll keep switch time in 3 minutes. Huh? Give me 1 second. We have 10 seconds left. How to switch time? Just click it right there and you can choose, or you can type it. Give me 1 second. The deal is closed in black. I got the money. Pew pew, motherfucker. I got the VIP back. I got the VIP back. Got the VIP back. We had at least like 4 streams without the VIP because we had one stream where we lost around $2,000. I didn't put additional money on the account. I decided to just get it back by myself and we finally got it. So happy, so happy. But yeah, that guys, I'm expecting congratulations. Congratulations in the chat. So, and look at the payouts. Payouts are higher for 2% more, because if you don't know, on Quotex, it depends on your level. You have different like bonuses, you know. So if you have more than $5,000, you have the status pro, you have plus 2% payout to all currency pairs. It doesn't matter. And if you have VIP 10 and higher, that's 4%. And I think you understand, working a lot and with big money, 4% is a lot. 4% is fucking a lot. Middle point is good. Music choice, no music. It's just double top now. Trade one. Pew pew motherfucker. Pew pew motherfucker. I don't think Quotex and Pocket Options available in United States. Quotex is not available in United States, but Pocket Option, yes. It is available everywhere except for, I think, Germany and a couple of European countries, but almost everywhere. Diamond, congrats. Thank you. Congrats. I have lost of 1,400 plus. How? Did you do it today? Or just in general? What the hell? Tell me, how did that happen? Legend, if you started, you need to finish. Tell me more. Tell me more. If it was just one deal for 1,400 and your balance is 30,000, that's okay. But if you lost everything in one go, talk to me. I want to know the story. I'm on GBP USD 2 minus on 20 minutes down. Ooh, congratulations to you, Queen of Binary Trading. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Emily. Send 0.1% to us. Do you want from the payout? I would do that if I could. Have you ever tried IQ option? Is it any good? Yes, it did. I think when I just started trading, I think I was working with IQ option. It was the Olymp trade was popular, the Reef, but it was called differently. Bet on markets, I believe, something like that. Yeah, that was popular before, and they changed it to the Reef. But yeah, those were okay. Those were okay. Or with IQ option, the only thing about it to be good is because they give you money really fast. They do it even faster than Quotex because IQ option is going to be number one. Second one is going to be Quotex, and the third one is going to be Pocket Option. Relaxing. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey. Nice to see you. And speaking back to the point with Nadex, people from United States say that you have to wait sometimes for like 20 days, 2 weeks, something like that. But yeah, looking at the account, it makes me happy, and I'm a bit scared to lose the money. Lose the money. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. Oh, that was a good moment. What the fuck is going on? Who stole the candlestick? One of y'all did it. Who stole it? Bitches, who did that? Tell me. Don't get offended for me calling you bitches. That's just a joke. What happened on Codex? Where is the candlestick? What? I don't know. This is not the first time, by the way, when it happened. But one of y'all. Don't do that. Don't do that. Should we enter into a deal for a downward trend if we see the double top? I'm not sure. Getting back to $50. Being careful, being careful. It kind of looks like a start of a pullback. Yeah. Not enough confirmation though. Stochastic doesn't give us confirmation. No levels there. No levels. Stochastic, no signal. With price action, it looks like it. It looks like a pullback. I don't know, not sure. Generally good. 93% payout. Oh, my heart almost stopped. VIP account, that is fucking amazing. The pullback just, finished, but let's risk it for the biscuit. I don't want to look, but let me talk about the deal. I think one more deal for today, closed in black. We are stopping, so we have like $10,070 or $80. So the first deal is not going to be with Pro account tomorrow, but Euro GBP 3-minute expiration time and $50 used. If this one is closed in red, I will try to do Martingale, but for now, I am going back to the chat. Going back to the chat. No, I accidentally placed 100% trying to trade 10%. Ooh, legend! The hell? That's fucked. That is not good. I feel for you. I am sorry, sweetheart. That's so bad. That's, for fuck's sake. 100%. That's yikes, Tommy B. That's not just yikes, that's fucked up. And lost and left. Oh, that sounds like pain. I'm so sorry to hear that. Sorrows, prayers. Anywho, let's continue. All right, you. Oh my God, so many comments. Oh my God. Many amount loss you in trading overall. I don't even know. I mean, I'm in profit, but I don't know. I lost a lot. As everybody else. I just won more than I lost, and that's why I'm in profit, and that's the whole point of being a profitable trader. So I have no idea how to answer that question. Please wait for a good amount to start trading with. I mean, it depends. Guys, you know the rules. Please like up the stream. Like up the stream so the price goes down. Good amount to start trading. You need to understand how much money you are ready to put on the bet. If it's just $1, minimum balance should be $50. So $1 is going to be 2% of your account. But see, on Codex, almost each platforms, you cannot bet less than $1, you know. So sometimes it's a little too much with a risk management. It's going to be like a really aggressive risk management for newbies. That's not great. Can you please, guys, I'm looking, please like up the stream and spam the hearts in the chat. Spam it in the chat. And you're doing it. Thank you so much. Oh my God, 2 seconds. We did it. We lost the money. Yeah, we did it. We lost the money. You know, I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up that easy. Should I catch the double button? I'm gonna do it now. I don't give a fuck. I do not care. Risking it again. But if you are ready to work with adequate risk management, and the lowest amount of money for start is $50. So each deal is going to be $1, 2% of your balance. If you're asking, not minimal, but just in general, I think first we'll start with demo account, and then I don't know, it depends on your financial abilities. So for example, if your like balance, just like your capital in general, $100, don't fucking trade at all. Trading should be looked at as a fact that you're gonna lose money. You're gonna lose money all the time. That's why I work with demo account, and you should start working with real money only when you are ready to lose it. If you're not ready to lose the money, if it's like rent money, borrowed money, never fucking trade with that, because you're gonna be getting nervous and you're gonna lose it. I talked about it many times. I have a video on that specifically, because you're gonna get nervous and it's just stupid. It's just stupid. Borrowed money, rent money, food money, money that you need for something. Never touch that money ever in your life. But yeah, first things first, start with the amount of money that you are ready to lose. But Probably good thing to start with $50 for good risk management. Well, Alice, that was amazing win. Now let's see your name shining on the leaderboard. Show it to us. Leaderboard? I don't think I will be in leaderboard. I got $100 today. I don't think I'm gonna be in a leaderboard. And I don't even remember where is the leaderboard. I never looked at it. I know that everyone is like posting that. All the traders do that. I don't even know where is it. Let me. Tell me if you know where to find a leaderboard. Tell me where is it. It's not here. Leave it in the chat because I want to see it. I want to see like I'm like fucking 5,000 God knows what. Oh, fuck's sake, we have less than 30 seconds. What are you doing? Oh my god, I'm gonna get upset because I have to go somewhere. Guys, please, this time, I'm counting on you. Like up the stream. Look at this bitch. Oh, I need pew pew, motherfucker. Not, oh my god, why is it like that? We got the $100 back, so we didn't gain anything from that. I'm like hot. I'm getting hot because I'm getting frustrated. I need 7 minutes. I have 7 minutes because I have to go somewhere. So I'm not looking in the chat. I'm trying to find a good entry point. And I'm not even talking to anyone at this point. All right. Euro GBP, the deal for an upward trend. Show me at least a little sign for the reversal. A little one. I can't breathe. Yeah, I forgot. I just need to finish with 10,000. I'm gonna change it up to $50. Yep. All right. I don't care anymore. Euro GBP, 3-minute expiration time using $50. Third deal in a row. The first one was closed in red. The second one is in the middle in gray. The third one should be closed in black because I can't. We should have like put like 100% for my balance. I'm not looking at it. Going back to the chat. Let's get those biscuits. Yeah, let's get those fucking biscuits. Gonna get the biscuits. Risk it for the biscuit. I growed from. Oh, so you lost from 1,400. 650 was your investment. That's fine. Hi everyone. Hi Alice. Hey Chris. This is the end of the stream. Unfortunately, you're a bit too late. It's risky. Yeah, I know. It can work, but it's really rare. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we'll see. Can I ask for a contribution just for my deposit? Legend. Look at you. No. Can you deposit 10 and withdraw 100? If you're asking if I can do that, yes, I can. If it's gonna take a while or it's gonna be risky. If I'm gonna put $10 for the one deal, it's gonna be 19. So like, 4 deals in a row in plus, you can't do that, but it's gonna be fucking risky as hell. But if we're talking about adequate way of going that, it is possible. It's just gonna take a freaking, I don't know, ages, like 10 days. 10 days. If you are working with the correct risk management. Okay, we have 45 seconds. We have 45 seconds. Give me 1 second. I need to text. Yeah. I'm just like, I'm trying to text someone that I'm gonna be late for 5 minutes because I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. Let me finish this stream with a good note. It pisses me off. It's pissing me off. Look at this bitch. What is it doing? I'm still. But I mean, when you have so many deals in a row and you lose the money, it's not a good place for us to enter into a deal. But I still believe that the price should fucking grow. Last one. Even if I lose, this is gonna be the last one. Fuck it. I'm going to comments. I am going to comments and I need to text someone. $14 in profit. That's good. What kind of percent is that from your balance? How much did you get from that? Talking about platform payout. And can you deposit $10, withdraw 100? Yeah. Yay! Yeah, definitely. You can do that if your deposit was just $10. Well, if they are not going to give it back to you, they are breaking the rules and you need to fuck them over. Fuck them over for that because they don't have that rule that you cannot take it back. Forex leaderboard is on the left side of the broker, but in your case, it's not visible. Maybe a glitch. Refresh it, it will appear. Codex leaderboard is on the left side of the broker. Huh? Oh, maybe it's in more. No? The fuck? Anywho, I'll look at it later. I don't know. No, not here. Feels stupid. I'm gonna give up. At this point, I'm gonna fucking give up. And I don't want to do that. Tomorrow, I'll be back with vengeance. With vengeance. Maybe it will rise. Because I still believe that it will rise. 1 minute. Please. 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 Fuck you, please. I'm begging you at this point. I'm not asking, I'm begging you. We need even higher. Guys, you know the rule. Like up the stream. Spam the heart. Didn't work today. Not even fucking once. Bad rule. So the reversal actually happened at the level of the fucking previous one. It's like right at that level. We tried to get it with that pullback. But it's just like fucking... I can't. What the fuck was that? What? No, please, for fuck's sake. Why? It's Trump. It's fucking Donald motherfucking Trump. Am I lucky today or am I not? Please, for fuck's sake, please. We did it. Pew the fuck. Pew, motherfucker. And volatility is jumping around, and that is a great point to fucking stop the stream. I got the money. I got the diamond. Thank you everyone for being here on the stream. Complete fucking pew, motherfucker. I'm again a VIP trader and I will see you in the next one.